Donâ Euro TMT be shocked if valets stop the Mazda6 up frontâ Euro at minimum until supercars begin appearing. The fundamental three-box car shape was beginning to feel old, in any event until the 2018 Mazda6 arrived. This a-la mode medium-size 4-entryway rates an 8 out of 10 in our eyes, with 2 focuses better than expected for its strong outside and a solitary point granted for its relieving inside. The 6 is uncommon among medium-sized cars in that cost-cognizant purchasers get similar points of interest and a sufficiently dressy arrangement of 17-inch combination haggles headlights, even on the base 6 Sport trim level. Venturing up to the touring knits 19-inch wheels that look far and away superior. Mazda Euro TMS now signature soul red paint schemeâ youâ Euro 3 seen it in the automakerâ Euro TMS adsâ Euro is worth the humble upcharge, as well. Inside, the 6 inspires, but not to such an extent. Its dash is low and controls are for the most part assembled beneath the atmosphere control vents. Roosted on the dash and resembling a bit of hindsight is the 8.0-inch screen at a Euro TMS controlled by a support-mounted handle and a bunch of catches. The inside comfort is short on little things stockpiling contrasted with a few adversaries, a circumstance exacerbated by the silly control knob. This year Euro TMS new Grand Touring Reserve trim level highlights snap cowhide shrouds, a dark main event, and sensitive genuine wood trim that closely resembles plastic. We Euro TMD most likely spare the money since the Grand Touring Reserve is about as rich and not exactly as coal mine dark. Through the new Turbo 4 completes a great deal for the 6A Euro TMS pace, the Euro TMS not exactly the exciting powertrain fans may need. Perceivable slack at low speeds and the sole gearbox a Euro a 6-speed automakerâ Euro add up to mellow excites. I6-speed stick is standard on the Mazda6 Sport, however good fortune's discovering one on a deal a Euro TMS parcel. Notwithstanding what a Euro TMS underhood and whether the transmission rearranges through riggings all alone, the 6 brags an adjusted, balanced undercarriage. Its controlling is firmer and more informative than what a Euro TMS in most average-sized sedans a Euro a bar that a Euro TMS not frightfully high, if we Euro very fair. Unpretentious changes this year to its suspension result in a smoother, more form-dried,